All right, folks, what we have here is a 2019 Toyota Corolla SE with a little 4-cylinder. We are going to reset the oil life, the maintenance light. Okay, so the way we do this is you stick the key in there, you turn it 2 times to the accessory mode. You're going to use the little button over here that says trip. You're going to get into trip A. Okay, once you get to trip A, you are going to shut it off. Okay, hold the button down and then turn it back to accessory, which is 2 notches, and it's going to reset. It's going to blink and it's going to say it's all reset. Okay, that's it. Let's double check it. There you go. Okay, put it back to the original miles on the customer's car and you are good to go. All right, so basically, like I said, just turn the key on. Okay, you're going to set the little trip button here. So on the bottom there, it says trip A. Okay, then you're going to shut it off. You're going to hold the trip button, hold it down while you turn the key back on to accessory. And it's going to say resetting maintenance data. Okay, and that's all you got to do. Okay, and of course you put the customer's thing back to the regular odometer and you are good to go. All right, thanks for watching. Ciao.